guys, I know I'm little late to the Korean hype party, but finally I got my hands on the most talked about product of 2024, that is the Tirtir Foundation. I have seen all over the social media and everyone's is raving about how lightweight and hydrating and glowy it is. So let's see what's the hype is all about and let's open the cute package. Oh, it is very cute. So there is one cushion sponge inside. Let me show you the foundation. So you just need to dab the sponge and press it like this. Okay. Wow. As per the reviews, I have heard that it is lightweight, transfer proof and buildable. I'm not sure about the full coverage though, as you can still see my veins are visible here. But I think it's a perfect match for my skin tone. I am NC20 in MAC and this is the shade 23 in sand. So I can see it is a decent match for my skin tone. I'll test it out for a week and share my final thoughts soon. As you can see here, I am not feeling any kind of product on my hand. It is super smooth. The foundation feels non-sticky to me, at least right now. It is non-sticky. I just have to see the coverage part on my face and neck. Well, I'll share my final thoughts soon, guys. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments about this foundation. For now, bye bye.